Imagine landing your dream job at a top MNC, where your code not only runs but shines like a beacon of clarity and efficiency. Sounds exhilarating, right? But what if I told you that clean code is your golden ticket to that opportunity? Today, we're diving into the best practices for writing clean code in Node.js that will set you apart from the crowd. Let's unlock your potential. 1. Naming conventions. First up, let's talk naming conventions. Think about it. How many times have you stumbled upon a variable named X or temp data? It's like trying to read a novel with the pages ripped out. Use descriptive names that convey the purpose of the variable. Instead of X, try user count. This simple change transforms confusion into clarity, making your code not just readable but enjoyable. Remember, good names are like good friends. They make your journey easier. Now that we've got our foundation set, let's build on it with structure. 2. Organizing your code. Next, organization is key. Picture your favorite cafe. Would you enjoy it if the chairs were piled in the corner and the menu was unreadable? Just like that cafe, your code deserves structure. Follow a consistent folder organization, separating your routes, controllers, and models. This not only makes it easier for you to navigate, but also helps your teammates understand your code quickly. A well-organized project is like a roadmap. It guides you towards success. And if your project looks like my sock drawer, well, let's just say it might be time for a tidy-up. With a solid structure in place, let's move on to a practice that will elevate your code even further. 3. Comments and documentation. Comments and documentation, the unsung heroes of clean code. Think of them as the guiding stars in your coding universe. They help you and others understand your logic. But be careful. Avoid commenting on every single line. Instead, focus on explaining why you made specific decisions. Use tools like JSDoc to create professional documentation. A well-documented project not only helps others but also shows your commitment to quality. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for future developers who may walk the path you've laid out. As we establish clarity, let's tackle the heartbeat of your application. 4. Error handling. Error handling might not be the most glamorous part of coding, but it's crucial. Imagine you're on a road trip and suddenly the GPS goes haywire. Panic sets in, right? Instead of that chaos, implement robust error handling. Use try-catch blocks to manage exceptions and provide meaningful error messages. This practice not only helps you debug faster, but also improves the user experience. After all, we don't want our users to feel like they're lost in a maze. Speaking of mazes, let's navigate our way to another essential practice. Testing. 5. Testing your code. Testing, often the overlooked step in the coding process. But think of it as a safety net. Writing tests for your code ensures that it behaves as expected. Tools like Mocha or Jest can automate your testing process, catching bugs before they make it to production. Embrace this practice, and you'll gain confidence in your code, knowing it can withstand the pressures of real-world use. Plus, employers love candidates who understand the value of testing. It's a win-win. But wait, there's one last secret ingredient to make your code truly shine. Let's reveal that shortly. 6. Code reviews. Enter code reviews. The collaborative magic that transforms good code into great code. Don't be afraid to share your work with others. Code reviews provide fresh perspectives and can catch issues you might have missed. It's also an opportunity to learn from your peers and grow as a developer. Remember, feedback is a gift. Embrace it. As we wrap up our journey, let's look at the bigger picture. 7. Continuous learning and growth. Finally, the world of coding is ever evolving. Commit yourself to continuous learning. Explore new libraries, attend workshops, and connect with the developer community. The more you learn, the more opportunities will unfold before you. Remember, every line of code you write is a step toward your future success. Thanks for joining me on this journey through clean code practices in Node.js. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. What coding challenge are you facing right now? Drop a comment below, and let's conquer it together. Until next time, keep coding and stay inspired.